Hello mga ka-Health Real Talk! To wear or not to wear your underwear. Maraming nagtatanong dito, mas healthy ba ang hindi magsuot ng underwear? O dapat laging may suot? At kung magsuot, anong klase at sukat ang tamang piliin? Benefits of wearing underwear. Hygiene protection. Nasisipsip kasi nito ang pawis ng vaginal or penile secretions, kaya mas malinis ang pakiramdam. Prevents friction kasi nakakatulong para hindi magasgas ang balat lalo na kapag masikip ang pantalon o uniform. Barrier against bacteria or dirt lalo na kung madalas nakaupo sa public transport o shared seats. At ang downsides of tight or wearing underwear, masikip na underwear lalo na kung synthetic fabrics gaya ng polyester, nylon ay nakakakulong ang init at pawis. Pwedeng magdulot ito ng fungal infection, UTI at skin irritation. Too tight sa lalaki, pwedeng makaapekto sa sperm quality dahil umiinit yung bayag. Too tight sa babae, pwede namang mag-cause ng vaginal yeast infection o bacterial vaginosis. Not wearing underwear, ang advantage, may ventilation, less moisture buildup, mas fresh lalo na kung cotton pants or breathable clothes ang suot. Pero, ang disadvantage, walang barrier protection. Mas mataas ang risk ng friction burns at exposure sa dumi kung public spaces. And what's the healthiest choice? Fabric matters. Pinaka-recommended ang 100% cotton underwear dahil breathable, absorbent, at gentle sa skin. Size matters. Dapat hindi masikip, may konting luwag para may airflow at ventilation. Change regularly at least once a day o mas madalas kung pawisin. Sleep tip. Okay lang, huwag magsuot ng underwear habang natutulog para makahinga ang skin at maiwasan ang bacterial growth. Ang bottom line, yes, underwear is important for hygiene and protection. Pero choose cotton, not too tight, and change daily. At kung gusto mong o ayaw mong magsuot ng underwear, safe ito paminsan-minsan. Basta't malinis at breathable ang iyong damit. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day everyone.